Welcome all of you. I am Miss Balwan PV from Electrical Department of Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra. In this video, we will see single phase AC circuit chapter. The point is parallel circuit. Before this lecture, we see the points like series circuit, types of powers, power triangle, impedance triangle, basics of single phase AC circuits, different elements. Now, in this chapter, we see parallel circuits. First is RL parallel circuit. In this image, you can see first image is parallel RL circuit. In this image, this is symbol of R and this is symbol of L, that is resistor or inductor. Resistor or inductor are connected in parallel with each other across the supply voltage, that is V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Then current flow through this supply is total current IT or I. This current again divided into two branches, that is resistor or inductor. The current flow through the resistor, that is IR, and current flow through the inductor, that is IL. This current is divided into two ways, that is IR and IL. Current through resistor IR, current through inductor, that is IL. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. IR is equal to V upon supply voltage across resistor, that is V upon resistance R, that is IR is equal to V by R. IR in phase with V. In phasor diagram, IR is in phase with V, that is E. Here in this diagram, here is noted voltage as a E, but you will take voltage as a V. Then IL is equal to V upon XL, that is inductor, and XL is inductive reactance across the inductor, which is opposition to the flow of current through the inductor, and supply voltage across the inductor, that is V, and IL is equal to V upon XL. IL lags behind V by 90 degree. You can see in this second phasor diagram, IL is lags. IL is before the voltage waveform, reference. Here is voltage is a reference, and IL is before the V. So IL is lags 90 degree. Then phasor diagram shows I is equal to IR plus IL, that is vector addition of IR and IL. This is the total equivalent I which is got from IR and IL. Then I is equal to IR plus IL. What is IR? V upon R, and IL V upon XL. So V upon R plus V upon XL, that is total equivalent I. First, draw the reference voltage waveform or reference line for voltage. Then IR is in phase with voltage, so this line is also on the voltage line, that is IR. Then IL is 90 degree lagging to the voltage line, so draw this line IL 90 degree lagging to V. Then draw the projections from IR and IL and you get the equivalent current I. The angle between voltage and total current or equivalent current is phi. Then I is lagging to V by angle and phi. Voltage and current waveform. This is the waveform of for RL parallel circuit. This is voltage waveform and this is current waveform. First, ideally voltage waveform start from 0. This is voltage wave. Then current waveform is start after the voltage waveform by an angle phi. After angle phi, this is difference, phase difference, and that is phase difference is angle phi. After angle phi, current waveform is start. So current waveform is start after voltage waveform. So current is lagging to the voltage. Also in phasor diagram, we see the equivalent current is lagging by angle phi to voltage waveform. Like that waveform is here, current is lagging to voltage. We see before lecture, there is a, when we see the lagging waveform or leading waveform, when waveform is start after the, when current waveform start after the voltage waveform, that is lagging waveform, and when current waveform start before the voltage waveform, that is leading waveform. So I is equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. Minus phi, that is lagging waveform, so there is minus sign. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. So I lags behind V by phi. I lags behind V by angle and phi. That is waveform of RL parallel circuit. Next, power factor. I lags behind the supply voltage by an angle phi. We see in the phasor diagram and also in waveform. So power factor of RL parallel is lagging power factor because I is lagging to V. So power factor of RL parallel is lagging power factor. Next, RC parallel circuit. First we see RL parallel circuit. Now RC parallel circuit. First image, that is of RC parallel circuit. This is supply voltage. Understand here or imagine it supply voltage or supply source. R and C is parallel with each other. R is notification of resistor, or this is the symbol of capacitor. Then R and C is connected in parallel with each other across the supply voltage or supply source. Then current through this source is total current I. Current through R or resistor is IR, and current through the capacitor, that is IC. Current through resistor IR, current through capacitor IC. In parallel circuit, voltage is same across the resistor or capacitor or any parallel elements. Voltage is same or current is divided as per the branch. IR is equal to V upon R. IC is equal to V upon XC. IR means current through the resistor equal to voltage upon resistance, and current through the capacitor IC is equal to voltage upon XC, that is capacitive reactance, that works like a resistance. Capacitive reactance which opposes to the flow of current through the capacitor. Then I is equal to IR plus IC. So IR is equal to V upon R and IC is equal to V upon XC. So I is equal to V upon R plus V upon XC. This is the phasor diagram for RC parallel circuit. This is the reference voltage waveform. Then V and IR is in phase to each other, and IC is leading to V voltage waveform. IC is leading to V by an angle 90 degree. Then projection from IC and projection from IR get combined, and then we get a resultant current waveform, that is I. So this I is leading to V by an angle phi. In RL circuit, this IL is lagging to V, and in RC circuit IC is leading to V. RL circuit, in RL circuit there is a inductor is lagging to V, and there is capacitor current is leading to V in RC circuit. Again, RC parallel circuit phasor diagram is first draw the reference voltage waveform voltage line, then IR is in phase with V, so this is line again on the voltage line. Then IC, draw the line vertical leading by 90 degree to V. Then draw the projection from IC and IR, then we get a resultant line, that is projection IT or resultant current I. Voltage and current waveform, this is the reference line or time t. Then voltage waveform start from 0 as usual, ideal voltage waveform, V is equal to Vm sin omega t, and current waveform start before the voltage waveform, so current is leading to voltage waveform and this leads by an angle phi. This is phase difference phi. Then current waveform start by phase difference phi or angle phi before the voltage waveform, so current waveform is leading to voltage waveform. I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. Plus sign indicates that this is a leading to voltage waveform. Next, power factor. Power factor is equal to cos phi, where phi is an angle between supply voltage and current. This is the angle phi, angle between supply voltage and supply current. So power factor of RC parallel circuit is leading because current I leads voltage V by an angle phi. Then power factor of RC parallel circuit is leading power factor because current I leads to V. In phasor diagram also, current I leads to angle phi. So power factor of RC parallel circuit is leading power factor, and power factor of RL parallel circuit is lagging power factor. Next, RLC parallel circuit. We see RL parallel, RC parallel. Now the combination of RLC parallel circuit. In this is the image of RLC parallel circuit or circuit diagram of RLC parallel circuit. This is symbol of resistor, this symbol of inductor, and this is the symbol of capacitor. Then resistor and inductor are connected in series and capacitor is connected to parallel with this combination. Resistor and inductor connected in series and capacitor connected in parallel with this R and L combination, parallel to R and L combination. This is called a RLC series parallel circuit. In this circuit, R and L is in series and C is in parallel. This is the supply voltage. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Current through this supply voltage I is total current I. This I is divided into two branches, that is current I2 which is flow through the capacitor, current I1 which is flow through the resistor or inductor. This is the combination of resistor inductor. We said that resistors or inductive reactance, that is Z. So I1 is equal to V upon Z1 and I2 is equal to V upon XC. XC is capacitive reactance. Impedance Z1 is a combination of R and L, that means XL. Resistance or inductive reactance, this combination is Z1, impedance. So I1 is equal to V upon Z1 and I2 is equal to V upon XC. This phasor diagram is only for the current I1 and supply voltage V. V is the reference voltage line, reference vector, or then I1 is lagging to V by an angle phi. This is directly we take here because in series RL circuit, what is the phasor diagram of series RL circuit? In series RL circuit, total current or equivalent current I is lagging to voltage V by an angle phi. So for this series combination of R and L, phasor diagram is V reference voltage and I1 is lagging. This I1 is lagging to V. And for capacitor, there is phasor diagram is reference line is V and I2. This I2 is leading to capacitor. We see before this slide there is a RC parallel circuit, and RC parallel circuit waveform or phasor diagram is like that. This phasor diagram we will take here. That is, first phasor diagram shows the RL shows for RL combination, RL series circuit phasor diagram, and this is capacitor, parallel capacitor phasor diagram. And then for RLC parallel circuit, this both phasor diagrams combine, and then we get a RLC parallel circuit phasor diagram, which will in next slide. Then I1 is equal to V upon Z1. I1 lags V by an angle phi. I1 lags V by an angle phi, and then I2 is equal to V upon XC, that is I2 leads V by an angle 90 degree. I2 leads V by an angle 90 degree. This is the phasor diagram for RLC parallel circuit. This is the reference line V, then I1 is lagging by an angle phi 1 to V for series RL combination, and I2 is leading by 90 degree by an angle phi. I2 is leading to V by an angle 90 degree. This phasor is for parallel capacitor. Then draw a projection from I2 and I1, then we get a equivalent current I. In this diagram, I is leading to V by an angle phi. In this phasor diagram, I is leading to V by an angle phi. But this value of current and angle phi is depends on the value of I1, I2 and angle phi 1. I is equal to I1 plus I2. So I1 is equal to V upon Z1 plus I2 is equal to V upon XC. Phasor diagram, value of I and phi depends on the value of I1 and I2 as well as the value of phi 1. The total current I can be lead the supply voltage V and lags behind it or in phase with it depends on I1, I2 and phi 1 values. In this, suppose there is a value of I1 and I2 are changed, then it can be I can be leading to V, I can be in phase with V, or I can be lagging to V. It depends on the value of I1, I2 and phi 1. If value changes, then projection of I and angle of phi is also changed. Power factor of the circuit can be leading, unity or lagging. Power factor is also, it may be leading, lagging or unity, because if I is leading to V and phi angle phi is positive, then power factor is leading. When I is lagging to V and angle phi is negative, then power factor may be lagging. If phi is equal to 0 and I is in phase with V, then power factor is unity. So power factor of circuit can be leading, unity or lagging, depends on whether phi is negative, 0 or positive respectively. Thank you. Again, we will see whatever we learned in today's lecture from first slide. First we see the parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, RL parallel circuit and RL parallel circuit and its phasor diagram. Then we see the voltage and current waveform for RL parallel circuit. Then power factor of RL parallel circuit is lagging. Then RC parallel circuit. This is the circuit diagram of RC parallel circuit. This is the phasor diagram for RC parallel circuit. Voltage and current waveform of RC parallel circuit. Power factor of RC parallel circuit is leading power factor. Then RLC parallel circuit. This is the circuit diagram of RLC parallel. This is phasor diagram of RLC parallel circuit. This is the power factor. Power factor of RLC parallel circuit. It may be leading, lagging, or unity. It depends on negative, 0 or positive value of phi. Thank you.